roadstone here at DIY SOS in Leak Slip, and we're in the Peter Dunnigan designed rear garden, and we're delighted to see that Peter's used a number of roadstone architectural products in this project. He's used our Petite Bordeaux walling, our Urbana paving, our Thoman paving, our Verona sets in both white granite and midnight, and he's also used our autumn gold pebble. For this clip we're going to look at our Petite Bordeaux walling. It's a dry walling system with no pins or mortar. It's available from your local roadstone retail shop. It comes in two different colours, as you see. It comes in a sandstone and it comes in a limestone. And there's 5 different types and sizes of bricks. So we see 2 of them here. One of our larger bricks here with 3 textured sides, and one of our smaller bricks here again with the 3 textured sides. So 4 of the 5 different size bricks have 3 textured sides, with the rectangular brick having a 2 textured sides. That allows you to turn corners, to build columns, etc., and build offset walls, etc. All the bricks are 75mm high, so the recommendation is that any wall built using the Petite Bordeaux is no more than 8 courses high, which gives you a total wall height of 600mm. It creates a 300 deep wall, so it's great for sitting on. It's a very stable dry wall. It has 5 different shaped bricks to accommodate curves, columns, offset walls, etc. The rectangular piece has 2 textured ends. It's a max height of 8 courses. The bricks create a 600 by 600 column. When constructing the wall, we ask you to use all the bricks in the pack on a random basis. We ask that you don't have any stack joints. So you see here JP and the boys, there's no stack joints. There's a joint here, and there's an offset joint here, offset joint here, offset joint here. So that builds strength within the wall. And we do ask that you haunch the bottom layer. We use adhesive to adhese the capping, which is a limestone capping, the limestone Petite Bordeaux capping on it, and maybe on 75% of other bricks going through. So again, it's perfect for sitting on. It's a very stable, dry wall, which can be done on a DIY basis. And all these materials can be got from your local roadstone retail outlet. One in Tala, Fassaro and Bray, and one in Swords, as well as in Castlebar, Galway and Cork.